Swaminarayan students, hope you are all doing good. Today we are starting with our new chapter, chapter number 5, Wonderful World of Bolu. Bolu, one boy is there, he is going near the pond. He saw a fish, Mintu, and he was asking Mintu, saying that you are so beautiful, why you are not coming outside? Then what he says that Mintu says that I can't come outside. If I come outside, I will die because I am in such a way that I can live only in water. Then Bolu says that but we come inside water, we can't live. Why it's like that? So he got confused. While going, there he saw a Chinchi. Chinchi is a squirrel, and he saw that, and a squirrel was asking, what happened, Bolu? Then he was saying that I'm confused because that fish cannot come outside. It is saying that it will die, and if we go inside the water, we will die. What about you? The squirrel says that I am staying on the tree and I come down for taking my food, and I always live in the tree. And Bolu got more confused. Why you are always living in the tree? Then squirrel said that it is my home is there in the tree, so I am doing this. Like that, that squirrel said. Now the Bolu moves on to the with confusion. One fish is living in the water, another squirrel is in the tree, and he was with confusion. He was moving forward. There he saw Dugmug. Dugmug is tortoise. Then he was asking to Dugmug, where you are living? Then Dugmug said that I can live both in water as well as land. Then Bolu got more confused. What about the fish, squirrel, and how they are living in different places in the same world? Then he was moving on with the confusion, and he saw Pigeon. Pigeon was saying, hi Bolu, how are you? Where are you going? Bolu said that all confusions. Then he asked, where you will live, Pigeon? Pigeon said that I will live in tree, and if I want to take any food items, then I will come and I will be flying in the sky. Once again, Bolu got confused that fish is living in the water, and tortoise live both in water and land, and squirrel live in tree, bird live in tree. So he got so confused, and then he was going on. There he saw Hathi Dada. There Hathi Dada clears all his confusions. That is, Hathi Dada, what he will say? He will say all the things to the Hathi Dada. Hathi Dada, I was coming around the way, I saw this much thing. Then Hathi Dada said that, Bolu, there are different types of animals are there. The animals which live in water cannot live in land. That type of animals are called aquatic animal. Some animals, they can live both in land as well as water. That animal is called amphibian. The animal that live or that can fly, that fly on the air, are called as avians. Then he also cleared that we animals cannot live in water. We can live only on land. So we are terrestrial animal. Now Bolu understand the difference between all these animal and their habitat. His doubt was cleared because of Hathi Dada. This is about the wonderful world of Bolu. Such a wonderful world. He is seeing such a wonderful organisms in this. Okay, students, hope you understand this story. Let's move on to the next part.